Okay, today we're looking at a couple products from Kikimo. They sent me a set of lights for the Model X doors, as well as this tray. We've already tried out the tray, took a photo of it, but what I like about it is you've got it set up for food, so you could have a beverage here and a meal here. I guess you would put dipping sauces here, I don't really know for sure. But on the other side, you can flip it over and you can work. You got a little pen holder and just a more flat tray with two small circles. So what you want to do for that is we're going to come over here and we're going to open up games, and then we're going to start Beach Buggy Racing. Because what that does, it unlocks our wheel. So now we can turn our wheel 180 degrees from standard. And then we can slip this over the wheel like so. And then tip it in gently. And then we can work. Well, I've got it in the opposite of work mode. I've got it in eat mode. So we can eat our iPad, yes. So at that point, it becomes a lot more useful for sitting at superchargers or similar. So I can take off the pen, I could write. If I had the keyboard bottle, oh wow, it went straight into notes. I like that. And you could use the keyboard like so. If you had a smaller laptop, same deal. I didn't bring my smaller laptop because we were just kind of out and about. But so I wanted to have some snacks. This is a single serve cookies and a 16.9 ounce or 500 milliliter beverage, like so. So I would say the only changes I would make to this product, in fact I'm going to do this because it does concern me, see how it leaves marks on the steering wheel? So what I would do here is I would get some felt tape and put it on there. Probably sand this down a little bit with a file and put your felt tape. That way it doesn't chew up your steering wheel. I would actually combine this with the other tray that we reviewed. Luna could have that in the cup holder here, and then I could have this one here in front of me. I'm just finding that the ergonomics are easier for me right here at the steering wheel than kind of over to the side in front of the screen, especially if we're watching a movie or something. So that's the Kikimo tray, and the door lights are the regular Tesla lights. It's got the Tesla T logo, and it's got the Tesla wordmark logo, and that's what we're working with. So with that, we'll catch you on the flip side.